Okay, so stem and leaf plots. Notice our data here. We have numbers ranging from 50 to 70. 50 to 70. So what we'll do is we'll count the tens as our stems. And then, so we have 5, 6, and 7. For like 50, 60, 70, etc. And the leaves will be the ones digits. Okay, so now what we need to do is put this in order. So let's start with the 50s. First of all, we have a 50 right here. So I'm going to put a 0. All right, and then let's see, what else? We have any 50? Okay, what would be the next number after 50? How about 51? So I'm going to put a 1 right there for 51. Okay, is there a 2? No. 3? No. 4? Yeah. Right here, 54. So I'll put a 4 there. That represents 54. Any more 50s? Okay, we have 58. Let's put that down. Put an 8 there for 58. Okay, now we go on to the 60s. So we have 60 and 60. We have two 60s. So that'd be 0 and 0. 60 and 60. 61s, 62s, we have a 62. So I'll put a 2 there for 62. We have a 63. Put a 3 there for 63. No more 60s. I have two 70s. So a 0 and 0. So now if someone was looking at this and they didn't have these numbers up above, they could only see the stem and leaf plot. They don't know what this means. Okay, so we have a key to tell them. And so, for example, if I say 5, and I can use any example I want. If I say 5 and a 4, 5, line 4, that means it's 54. Now, if you take a look at some of the keys down below, okay, 4/8 means 48. Okay, that's easy. Look down here, though. 13/1 means 131. 13, line 1, 131. And look down below. The last one, if it says 3, line 2, that means 3.2. Okay, so the key is important to tell you what numbers are there. Okay, let's answer some questions now. It says, what is the median? Well, these numbers are already in order, so that makes it easy for us. So I'm going to count from the first number to the last number. The next one. I'm going to kind of count backwards. See, this is 54 and 63, 58, 62, and then these are my two numbers I have, but they're both the same, right? So it would be 60. 60 is the median. Next question is, what is the range? Range is always the biggest number, which is 70, minus the smaller number, which is the smallest number, which is 50. So 70 minus 50 is 20. 20 is the range. Okay, number 3, ask, what is the median of this data? I'll help you with this problem. So let's see, I have 40, 78. I'm kind of working myself towards the middle. And then go over here to 50, 73, 52, 69, 53, 68, 54, 67, and there's the last one left. So that would be 61, because the key tells us 48 is 48, so this is 61. Next question, what is the range? Well, that's the biggest number, which is 78, minus the smallest numbers, which is 40. 78 minus 40 is 38. The answer is 38. Okay, now you go ahead and finish the rest of the problems, please. So now while you're working on this, I'll be working on another sheet, and we should be done at the same time. Okay, about 30 seconds. Okay, number 5, what is the median? If you went through this, you should find it became between 124 and 129. Well, 4 and 9, if you add that up, that's 13. And half of 13 makes what? 5.6, I'm sorry, 6.5? 6.5, right? This is 6.5, or 6.5. So your answer was 126 and a half. 126.5. Next one, what's the range? Well, that's the big number minus the little. It's 138 minus 105. That's 30. 108 minus 105 is 33. The range is 33. And the largest number is 138. And the last one, the median was 5.0. The stems are just the numbers that you see, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? Those are the stems, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the last one is what's the range? That's the big number minus the smallest number, biggest minus smallest, and that came out to 3.7.